how to set up Workspace in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Workspace in Wrike. So here is how to go about it. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Wrike account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you see your inbox, your incoming, your sent, your archive. And then by the left side of the screen, you'll see other options as well, where you see search, inbox, etc. Then once you can see this, the next step or the next thing to do is to note that a well-organized workspace ensures efficient collaboration and streamlined project management. So here are the steps. So the first step is by creating spaces, all right? So how can you create space? By moving to the left side of the screen where you can see space overview. So once you can see this, the next step under this is to right click on a folder or the project name that you'd like to create space from. All right, so once you right click, you can see, just select the one you want to work with. Then after selecting it, sorry, let's click on this more option button instead. Oh, it's not working. Hold on. So once you click on the more option button for the project that you want to create a space from, you can see different options like open in separate tab, add item, change status, change color. Then you can see create space from this project. So just click on create space from this project, and then you'll be taken to the workspace. But wait patiently for it to load. So once that's loaded, this is how the page looks like. Yeah, this is the create space from projects. Then the next thing is to type out the workspace name, and then this, for me, I'll leave it as advertisement. Then the next step is to add description. Then you can set the workspace to either be private or public, whichever one. I'll leave mine as private, and then you can change the icon if you want. Then you can see the icons are available. Since it's advertisement, I think I would want to work with this. Yes. And then the next step is to manage your members. You can add members by name or by email. So for me, I'll be sending my email now to add members. Okay, gmail.com. So move to the right side, and then the next thing to do is to, you can invite more people if you want, or you can just leave it the way it is. For me, I will leave it the way it is. And then you can now add tags, add project, add folder. Ensure you add all of this to ensure, or to make sure that your workspace is well created. And then once you're done, move to the lower right corner of the screen, click on create, and just like that, your workspace would be created. Now this is if you want to create a workspace form a particular project. But if you want to create a workspace from the scratch, all you need to do is move to the top right corner where you can see a plus icon, click on it, and the box displayed, you will see space. Just click on it, then you'll be directed to this page where you'll be asked to either use a template or create from the scratch. So just select the one you want and you'll be good to go. So this is how it works, okay? I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and ensure you implement all you've learned. Bye bye.